Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to find registration date in Mobile Legends. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. We have many methods in order to check or to find our registration date. So the first method is to open your Gmail. After opening your Gmail, search for Moontune, and as you can see here, I have it in the first because I have just downloaded the game. Just click on Moontune. Then, as you can see, this message here has a date. So this message date is the date of registration in Mobile Legends. Now, the second method is to go to your Facebook account that you connected with your Mobile Legends account. Then go to settings. Go to menu, then go to settings. And search for apps and websites. After searching for it, just tap on it. Just tap on apps and websites. Then you will find out that the game Mobile Legends was added on 17 December or whatever date you have. And that was the second method. Now, jumping into the third method, you have to open your Mobile Legends application. Then after opening Mobile Legends application, all you have to do is to select the daily rewards menu in the lower left corner. But for sorry here, I don't have it right now. But after selecting the daily rewards menu, all you have to do is to press on go on one of the missions in your account. Then click on next, then share your mission, and the statistics for the age of your Mobile Legends account will appear. And that's all. It's very easy and simple. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.